Hey guys, welcome to the ServiceNow world, and today we'll see part 14 of scenario based interview questions in ServiceNow. As you know, in this series we are discussing about all the coding problems or real time scenarios which are given by interviewer during interview. So without any delay, let's see today's scenario. Okay, so today's scenario is like write a script to deactivate all user accounts who have not logged in from last 3 months and exclude all service accounts. So what we have to write, like in background script we have to write one script that deactivate all the user accounts, means all the users who have not logged in from last 3 months. Okay, and we have to exclude the service accounts in the sense like which are used for web services. Whatever the web services accounts are there, we have to exclude them. Okay, so let's go to the instance and try to implement it. So now we are in our instance. Okay, and here firstly let's go to the user table. So this is our user table. So what we need to find out, there some in user table there one field is there that got last login time. So we'll just select it first from available to selected side, last login time. Okay, just drag it to the right side. Okay, so whatever the where, see, it's a PDI, right? So that's why you seen that for most of the users our last login time is empty, so we have to exclude them as well. Okay, first let's exclude them. So we have just filter it out. Okay, so we have the 25 users, okay, who is having the last login time. Okay, now we have to filter the users. We have to deactivate all those users which have not logged in from last 3 months, means their last login time is before last 3 months. Okay, so I have just apply the filter last login time before last 3 months. Okay, and run it. So how many users we have got? So we have total 24 users who have not logged in from last 3 months. And then one more condition is there. Condition is that exclude the service accounts. Okay, so let's find out what are the service accounts are there. So service account in the sense if I open any one of these, let's say this user. So there one field is there that web services access only. Okay, so if any of the user who's having web service access only is checked, means this value is checked, this field is checked, we have to exclude them. Okay, means if I click on this filter icon, click on and we have to put one more condition like web service accesses only false, so it will exclude the service accounts. Okay, and then click on run. So we have total 17 accounts are there. Okay, these 17 accounts we have to deactivate it. For that we have to write the script. Okay, so what we have did, let me explain you once again. Firstly, we have to filter out all the records whose last login time is empty, because this is a PDI, right? Then we have to put the one more filter, their last login time is before last 3 months. Then we have one more condition is there, we have to exclude the service accounts. Service accounts means those users who's having web services access only is not checked. Okay, so that's why we put this condition. Okay, then you have to write the script. So here type background, click here scripts hyphen background. Okay, so here you see that background script interface got opened. So here we have to write the script. Okay, so I'll just write where gr and press tab. Okay, let me see it's working or not. Where gr, yes. So like that, if you type var gr without and then press tab, will get this syntax automatically. Okay, so here we have to write, otherwise let's remove all of them. I'll write now var gr equal to new glide record. Okay, and here we have to query the sys user table. Okay, and then after that we have to put the conditions. For that, there are multiple conditions are there, so that's why we are using the encoded query. So gr dot add encoded query. And there you have to just from here just right click on copy query, and it will get copied, and just paste it out here. Okay, once you paste it, you have to write gr.query and it will get executed. What we have to do, we have to deactivate it, means we have to fit the set their active field is false. So you have to write gr.active equal to false, and then you just call gr.update multiple. You may ask like why we have not used while loop. So that we also can use. In that case we don't have to use this gr.update multiple function. Okay, that time we have to use the while gr.next, and inside that we have to write gr.active equal to false and gr.update. That's it. Okay, and then just close the project. So that also another way is here. So most of them we are using the update function, but most of us don't know how to use the update multiple. So you can also get to know like when and how to use the update multiple. Okay, so I'm not clicking on execute run script right now. Firstly, let's see. Okay, so currently you see all 17 users are active, right? All of them active. So if I'll run this, now you see that like here update 17 users. Let's see that like all the 17 users got deactivated or not. So if I refresh it, and if you see all the 17 users got deactivated whose last login is from last 3 months, before 3 months. Okay, and we have also excluded the service account. So once again we'll get back to the script what we have done actually. So we have simply glide the sys user table, then we have put the condition like last login time is not empty and last login time is before 3 months. Okay, and here like web service access only is false, and then we have execute the query, then we have put the set active field is false, and then we have called the update multiple function because we have to update the multiple records. So like that we have done. Okay, so I hope you got it, and if you still have any doubts, please write in the comment box. Till that time, thank you. God bless you all.